crank, big nuts, good drugs. I put a phone on rock, drop top, no hot box. 12 trying to put me over, pink slips to the car. She said it might.
Yo guys, how you doing? I hope you're all good. So today we are back with another video. So guys, if you notice, so I stopped dropping the day in the life videos of me showing you what I was doing during the weekend, all that stuff. The reason why it's not like I've stopped doing those things, like I didn't stop doing anything, guys. I'm still continuing with my shit, but behind the scenes, you understand? So I feel like it is a good thing to show you there and there what I'm doing, what I'm about with my day, you understand? But I feel like it's consuming much more of my time, and I put a lot of my time into those things while I'm doing it, shooting, while doing those things, like, you know, it consumes a lot of my time based on my opinion. It's not like I'm not gonna drop those kind of videos. I'm gonna drop those videos in a future time, but now I'm more focused on my trading. Like, I'm 100% on my trading stuff. So I'm learning, I'm trading, I'm doing live trading and all that stuff. So I was going to do an announcement that I'm gonna be dropping my live trading every day, actually, if I'm gonna be able to do that and get that time, because I have all the time in the world, because I'm not doing nothing. The only thing that I'm focusing on this year is only trading, nothing else. I'm coming through nothing. So I think I'm gonna be able to share with you that, you understand? So I think like it's gonna be a platform of letting other people learn on how I do this, and this time it's gonna make some other people relate on how I'm taking trade and how they should take trade. Maybe you wanna mix my strategy, read your strategy, come with something that's gonna help you maybe at some point, understand? I don't know, that's you there. So I feel like I'm gonna do that. Rather than showing you me going to the gym. Oh yes, I do go to the gym. I do all these things I was doing on my previous videos, but I feel like just gotta stop there and focus on one thing. It's not like I'm doing this thing, but you know, shooting, editing, posting, bruh. That's a lot of work for me, and I feel like I'm gonna have to put that time in my training, because like I've noticed something. Most of my time I spend them on my chats, and that's why sometimes I even get lazy to even take those videos while I'm doing those things, because most of the time I'm always on my chat. When I have to wake up, remember, when you wake up, it's not like you're gonna put your phone like the whole night until you choose that you awake. You're gonna record that shit. We're gonna wake up first, then you're gonna place your camera, then you're gonna take yourself waking up. So that's crazy for me. So then I kind of feel like I'm kind of faking it at some point, but if that's working for you. But me, I'm gonna be showing you how I trade, how I'm taking trade. Like I told you, I feel like I was planning on trading this account this week, then the next account the following. Then there's a change of plan. I'm gonna trade one account for the whole month until I get a payout or I pass my challenge. So I basically have 3 accounts now, which are 5k account. Understand? 5k account. So that's too much for me, because like I feel like when I have I had a 100k account, I blew it actually. I feel like when I have a big account, man, it's giving me that mentality. I have to pass this and all that. So I blow it on purpose. I sell it on my other video. Understand? I overrisked it and all that stuff. But then it was a lesson learned at some point. Blah, blah, blah. You get it? So I'm gonna trade my funded account. I was trading it this last week, my funded account. I'm gonna do a review. Actually, this video is about a review. I'm gonna do a review after this. So I'm gonna trade my funded account this month, this February. Then if I'm gonna make a certain percentage, then I'm gonna request a withdrawal. If I don't blow it, I'm gonna request a withdrawal. Then I'm gonna move to my other account. I'm gonna trade that one. pass the challenge because I'm on 3 phases challenge, only 3 challenge phases. So I'm not in a rush to anywhere. So I'm gonna trade this account patiently, wait for my setups. I'm only looking for about 3 to 4 trades per day. 3 to 4, and then I'm trading on specific times. I'm not just trading when I see a setup. Even there I see my perfect setup, but if it's not that time for me to trade, I don't take that trade. But I'm still coming there. I'm still gonna have to develop that kind of discipline, I understand. So I'm gonna trade my face account, challenge account. If I pass maybe that challenge, or I don't pass but we are on another month, then I'm gonna move to my other one instead of them. So I'm gonna move monthly. It doesn't matter if I trade the whole month and I don't reach I don't make any profit, then I'm gonna, when the month end, I'm gonna stop. I'll go to my other account. I'll see what I've made this month, then I move to, when it ends another month, I move to my other account. So I'm gonna do that, like, because I feel like this weekly thing is like kind of pushing me back. So I'm kind of fun of build this thing, like of building my account. But when I reach a payout phase, I stop, I wait for my payout, I don't trade anything, and I move to my next account, and like that. Understand? So without me boring you and all that stuff, but there's a lot of videos to watch, guys. Too much. It's too much. So guys, as you know, I'm only trading NASDAQ. I don't trade pairs, I don't do commodities, I don't do stock. On my watch list is the NASDAQ stocks. That's the only stock that I have. NASDAQ stocks. Actually, I could say it's the companies that actually have more weight in NASDAQ, of which I'm gonna show you that. So guys, before I get into this with our reviews for last week, we killed last week analysis. Killed it. So if you watch my analysis for last week, what we say is gonna happen is really what happened. We killed it. But you know, I'm still a person, I'm still learning. I go with my weekly bias, but I change my mind during the week, in a sense, because there's something I learned this week. That's why I lost my trade. I don't think really that's why I lost my trade, because there's things that I didn't know, understand, but I'm learning along the way, understand. I'm investigating some other things that I didn't understand. If I see something happening again and again, I investigate that thing on how often does it okay, understand. That's how I get my confidence on trading. So these are the 10. I actually picked up 10 companies that have weight based on they are organized with the one that's number 1, 2, 3. So this is the list. If you can check the top 10 best companies that are controlling NASDAQ, because it's a combination of 100 companies, but I think now it's 101, but I don't think they can change that to NASDAQ 101. I think we're gonna stick with the 100. I don't know why they're gonna change it, but I think now there's 101 companies on NASDAQ. So the number 1 is Microsoft, Apple, Amazon, Nvidia, Broadcom, Incorporation, Meta, then is Google, Tesla, then is Costco, then is Advanced Micro. I don't even know what it is. I just know that these companies do a lot of damages. Like, I use them as an indicator as it goes as US dollar. I use US dollar as an indicator because it's correlating with the NASDAQ. So I'm not interested in trading pairs, I'm not interested in trading other things. So if you don't trade NASDAQ, you wanna trade some other stuff, then this channel is not for you, because here we're only trading NASDAQ, and that's what we are doing for this whole year. Then I think I'm gonna add I don't know what I'm gonna add for next day, but I think I'm gonna add another something else next time. I think I'm gonna add S&P. Like I do look at S&P sometimes because there's an SMT that's happening on NASDAQ and S&P, because when NASDAQ is going down, also S&P is going down, but they have an overlap, little overlap. Like when S&P, I think when NASDAQ is selling, S&P it's left behind on selling. When S&P is buying, NASDAQ is left behind on buying. There's that overlapping there. If you're gonna check that, you will check that they are both selling, but they are not selling at the same speed. You will find like NASDAQ has reached its lows, but the S&P has not reached its low, or is the opposite of what I say. I just don't remember very well, but I remember investigating that, and that's what I found out. They are overlapping in movement. Sometimes NASDAQ take out their lows and S&P don't take out their low, or the S&P take out their highs but the NASDAQ don't take out their highs. So that's called SMT, part of my strategy. So guys, those are the what I'm using this. So what do we actually say this today? You can check last week video when I was saying that we have not reached that level yet, but you could remember very well, this is the level that I threw out from last week, and I said we took out this equal lows here, and now we're expecting what price was to draw up to this next row here. I even mentioned this, you can check that video out. That is still there, I'm sure of it, because this, I think it's a 4-hour imbalance there. Let me hide this thing here. I think it's a 4-hour, it's a daily, sorry, it's a daily. Yeah, it's a daily. So it's weekly. It's a weekly. Yeah, it's a weekly CBC, but when I was more focused on this equal lows, that's what I'm interested in. And I told you that our next row on liquidity is actually here, and I'm expecting price to really come in. My narrative haven't changed. I'm still expecting the dollar to go even higher. That's what I'm expecting, but then a lot of things are happening around the world, guys. I don't know if you noticed or what, but a lot of shit is going on, guys. I think we might be heading to a war or something, like maybe World War what. I'm telling you guys, like you should check the news, not the basic news that you're watching on SAPC, ETV, YouTube news, guys. You can check out these guys redacted if I'm not mistaken. I'll check the spelling, I'll put it down, guys. They spelling out the truth, guys, on what's really happening, you understand? But then that's for me. I watch news but not the TV news. So remember I say that remember this level from last week, I said price might come in, it did come in, kill that one. Now I said price will come to sweep this clean lows here, or come sweep this clean lows. Price did come and clean the lows out, even though it happened yesterday, but then it was something that we anticipated, and I did say mention price might take longer to even come here, you understand? But then that's our, and I say that if we're expecting the dollar to go up, then we're expecting what NASDAQ to what lower. You can also check that out on my last video. I say are we expecting NASDAQ to what, to go even lower. So let me go on it for, so if you can see carefully, no, let me go on the date. I actually wanna indicate something here. Remember I had this level here and I had this level here on our weekly breakdown. Remember price, I think price was somewhere here. here or here, I don't know, 29, I don't remember. Yeah, it was here 29. And I say what price will be seeking what this buy side liquidity, and we have what an imbalance, and we're gonna return from the 50% of this candlestick. That's it, that's the 50%. If you can see the wick, it's just the damage, but you can see where the candle closed above the 50% level, which means we closed above premium. We just went to a discount just to accumulate more orders, then we go up. So our analysis will be ending actually here, 81. This move happened yesterday, and it was a drive news. It was news driven. So now if you can see carefully, created equal highs, I mean made equal highs here. Okay. And these guys, I love this swing high here. I love this swing high. This swing high shows that we are actually going to go down to a certain level, but then I didn't notice it because that's something I learned during the week. Understand? We're learning. So now I think we created equal highs. Let me check. Not really. 1767528 17675. They are relatively high. They are not equal. Relatively high, which means they are equal, but they are not exactly equal. What I'm saying, relatively high. Understand? So we're gonna see on analysis on what is going to transpire here. But then, like I told you guys, I'm looking for buys until this thing is gonna fail me. Looking for buy. So let's get into the trade we took. Let me first go maybe to the trade that I took. I think I took 2, 3, 4. I took a lot of trades this week. Which time I lost them.
Ain't no complaints. Rex in the bank. Fuck what you think. We got some rain. Leo S thing. Robbing the bank.
So those are all my favorites. Those are the trees that are approved actually 29. So this was see, I didn't annotate this carefully. Time. Let's give us again and try price from price came to the trades and I executed first. Stop it. The London low was not taken and I entered. Then after London low was taken, trade played out. Exactly. See, that's the thing. What I say I learned. I didn't even come to this trade to check what I lost, but then I noticed that London low was not exactly affected. It's because of the time that I took the trade. Like I think there's this thing they call it Judas swing, which is it's a wrong move or a wrong liquidity take. But then my knee, let me play this so you can see. So it was supposed to be push below exactly. They were supposed to be, this is supposed to be between 9 and 11. See, exactly 11. Between 9, between here and here. That's where I should be expecting to taking my trades, but then I took my trade where, see, this was like I should see something like this, something powerful, like then we going up, and you can see this. This is beautiful, guys. This is beautiful. So this is the kind of the trade that I'll be taking. So you can see that we were supposed to be long, but then we did what we were stopped out here because my stop loss was below here. But if my stop loss was below, I was going to be on a safe side, and this was gonna be a beautiful trade. So you can see we were correct on our direction. It was a long. You can see everything, just that I took my trade at the wrong time, and I thought this was my liquidity, and it was wrong, guys. You can see this doesn't make sense that much. This does make sense. So I should be patient with my trade. So that's the first thing that I've learned. I should be patient. And my window open, I noticed my window open is from 8:30 to 11, 9:30, 8:30, 9:30 to 11. From there 11 to from 11 going down, I don't take any trade anymore because I don't trade between 12 to 1, so I have a 1 hour break in between. That's lunchtime of New York session. That's New York session lunchtime. So this is what this is the second trade. Like the actual trade I should have taken, the actual trade, but I didn't take this one. This is how I was supposed to take the trade, because this was not liquidity sweep. You see, this was liquidity sweep. You understand? This was liquidity sweep. Liquidity was swept and in balance form. Price came back to give me an entry to my bicep inefficiency, sell side. I forgot. Okay, bicep imbalance, sell side inefficiency. I think it's that one, because bicep was offered and sell side was not offered, so it has to fulfill those sales to go up. That's the thing behind it. Guys, you can see this swing low. Okay, it's beautiful. So I'm not expecting price to come to this swing low. So price might come maybe to at the CE of this week here, but I'm not expecting it to come because this is a swing low. You understand? It's a swing low. Then price give me this. This is beautiful, and price will expand it higher. So I wrote I should have waited for the price to grab the liquidity in a clean setup like this, then executed. So I should wait. I lack patience, guys. That's everything. But then next time, guys, for next time, so tagged and bagged. If it played out, if it didn't play, just tagged it. Because if I would have bagged it, it would have been in my account, but I lost. I went on the negative side. So during London session, I'm trading from 3 a.m. to 4 a.m. New York time. So on South African time, it's 10 to 11. That's my window open there. Let's check this time. 2, then it's 3. See? You see? Almost 4. This is the Asian low. Asian low was taken. Imbalance was formed here. Swing low. Break of structure. I created this break of structure here. I'm gonna consider this one because it's very clear. Switch how I move my pattern. Hit the snakes in the crab rattling. Two sides of me keep battling. I'm on a rock cause I'm too talented. Price came here. Executed. exactly at the midnight open. Price closed there. I was gonna take partials here because I was going to see this as an order block, all these consecutive 3 candlesticks. I was gonna take my profits here. I'll take partials halfway on this. Would have secured that one though. Who can survive in the street? Stay on your feet, we don't compete. I keep my money a secret, they tryna peep it so they can creep. And if the Asian high was going to be taken, I was gonna cancel the order. So those are the trade I actually took. Those were the trade I was gonna take actually. My account, so we'll check. DXY is the one that I discussed with you. On 31st. From the 31st, what can happen? So what I'm with you here, this is the last time I'm doing this. Reason why the last time I'm doing this, I'm gonna be doing this with you. I'm gonna post videos where I'm doing this live because I'll not be actually live, but when doing the video, I'll be live to myself. I'll be doing it live, with me alone. So you're gonna see what I did during the session, understand? So let's analyze this and see what really happened here. So this, I remember this price action because I posted this idea on this group that I'm in. Price play out like I thought, took out London, talked to London and aim high, and price went down but did not reach the OP I was thinking to reach this one. So what I was seeing this volume imbalance, this London high, New York high, there was this New York low here, and this was this strong level here which I thought price would return from here, but you can see this rejection, how these candlesticks are just closing below this. You can see this are just damages just to take out people because they know here there's people who have placed buy stop and also TPs and all that stuff, and those who go from here to, you see, that's a damage, guys. So spooked, like this is perfect, and I don't expect the LTM and high to be swept. I wrote this because I was looking at these levels, but then it was swept. You understand? It was respected volume imbalance. These highs, this liquidity resting above there. I wanna see this FVG to be inverted. FVG, which one am I looking at here? I was thinking price was going high. Understand? When I see the NYM low taken, then I resume the expand to lower. So that's what I was expecting, but then what I'm about is because I did anticipate this and it happened. Understand? So sometimes another thing I have to learn, I have to stick to my analysis no matter what. If I'm thinking price is gonna do this today, then I should focus on that, not just change now and then all the stuff and spam. So you can see this is one of my AC charts that I like. So the price is still on discount, price is on below, blah blah blah, price respected the OP, disrespect. I was do tape reading here. I was looking at these things as while they were happening. I was really here. I was supposed to take my order here because you can see this is an order. You can see because we took out this liquidity here, beautiful volume and balance. That's also supports that. We have this IVG here, also have this order block here because we took out with this liquidity here by this week here. This also price rejected that came to this but this was beautiful. So I was supposed to take my order here and take out partials here, then I let the price run, and that's what happened. Let me play this. You see the shoulders took in partials here, then price did what came here, they're coming here. I was gonna take profits here because I'm gonna see this as an important level. Then price expanded higher like crazy. This was during news. Price did what? Higher. I love these kind of setups. I love these kind of setups. Oh, this is the setup I was telling you about. Oh, like I was still price reading here. Oh, there was no electricity and I was not able to take this trade. You see, I was supposed to take this trade because I was so expecting London high to be taken. I was gonna enter on this, and I think I was gonna enter on this, but I was gonna escape this previous delivery to be taken. But anyway, there's a trade out I was gonna win between. I know for sure. Second trade on the first third.
Rappers say they won't smoke, but they bluffing. When you see them face to face, it ain't nothing straight up.
Trade during my time, but I'm going to check out the previous clean highs. Companies with clean fluid on trade during lunchtime, process with the high time frame. So here I trade during outside my time zone. I was not supposed to be trading. I was to trade. There were no. Okay, the London high we taken, this one, the London high we taken, but you can see it was 12 towards to 1. I took the trade somewhere and there was no indication of price might do it, and I did expect price to come take out this previous daily high here. So that's what you can read, guys. It's what you learn, because I also become tired when talking this, but you can see. So I'm already tired explaining and and all that. So with what you're seeing here, I'll be tape reading this live with you, not with you. I'm gonna share a video where I was doing this live, taking the actual trades live with you, doing everything. You're gonna notice that on how I take my trades, how calm I am when I take my trades. I don't know how, guys, when I take my trades, I don't know how, not at all, with nothing. I don't know how. So guys, I think that's it for this video. So I'm gonna share this video with you. So I think 2 days later, because I'm not going anywhere, I'm gonna share with you the analysis breakdown on what's really going to happen this coming week. I don't know about an event. I haven't checked the calendar because yesterday I was not feeling well. I was kind of sick now because I was. Let's not get into that like personal thing. I was killing myself, understand? So see you on the analysis.